Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf from Mobile WizTech. Today I'm going to do a follow-up demo video of the iBlason Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus case. And I'm jumping right in right after this. Now the first thing is first, I want to give a big shout out to iBlason for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit that subscribe and the notification bell button so that way you can stay up to date with my channel content. So let's get right into this case. Now, I did make a previous video regarding this case, and if you want more information regarding the protection this case offers for your Galaxy S20, make sure you watch that video right there, and it talks about it. So let's get right into this one. This is a two-piece case. It's a dual layer, and I did not mention that in the previous video. So you want to make sure you peel back the first layer, just like so, and then you will see the second layer. And all you would do is just place your phone, or place this part onto your phone, just like this. And then, of course, just slip it into the second part and you should be good to go. And now look at that. Really nice looking. I love the two-tone, and the feel of it has a nice solid feel to it. At the same time, it has a soft feel on the sides. Nice grip. Let's take a look at the lip. So you know this is protecting your phone. Look at that lip. Look at that. I mean, let's get a better focus. There you go. Look at that. So your screen is definitely going to be protected here. You can see the buttons separated. The top cut out. And you have your camera cut out. And then you have your bottom cutouts. And of course, you have your charge port cut out. Very nice looking. And again, it does feel really comfortable while you hold it. So let's go to the next color. So for the black one, it's actually for the S20 Ultra. So I won't spend a lot of time with this one. I won't be able to demonstrate this one. So if I place my phone in here, as you can see, it just swallows it right up. And look at the camera cutout, doesn't even match. So this is not the right phone for this case. Again, it's for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, but it still is a dual layer case, as you can see right here. So there you go. So again, nice design. I mean, I can show you the cutouts. I did it in the other one, but I can still show you the cutouts and the lips if you would like to see that. There you go. There you go. And of course that cutout. But again, this one is for the S20 Ultra, but I'm sure they have it for the S20 Plus. Let's put that down here. So let's take a look at this last one. This one is called Aries Blue. Look at that two-tone. This is probably my favorite one. You got the WizTech blue on here. Really nice looking. So let's take a look at that lip, of course. There you go. And then let's take a look at the buttons. Top cutout. And then you have, of course, your bottom cutouts. Really nice. Again, this is probably my favorite one out of the three. Now, iBlason is doing a Samsung Galaxy S20 giveaway. So make sure you head to the description, hit that link to find out how to participate. And you may want to go ahead and jump on it soon because the deadline is approaching pretty soon. So make sure you do that as soon as possible. Again, these cases are available on Amazon, and a link will be posted in the description. Make sure you hit that link as it does help me out. Again, these are the iBlason cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. This one is for the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but this color is also available for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.